Want to hide your business from the world? Then let your web pages hang out on page 2 of Google and beyond. But if you're serious about driving awareness, then optimizing your site for search engines is crucial. So let's take a look at a few tips for using keywords to drive you higher up those Google rankings. How should I pick my keywords? While you can use related terms, you'll want to choose one focused keyword to prioritize. A focus keyword is the search term that you most want your page to be served up in response to. To choose yours, think about what your target audience might be looking for online. Tools like Google Analytics, Google Keyword Planner, and Google Search Console can help you identify the things your audience is searching for. How long should my keyword phrases be? There's no set or recommended length for keywords, but the kind of keyword used should correspond to the nature of the information on your webpage, whether the content is very foundational or more in-depth. Head keywords are usually very short, general keywords that indicate a user is educating themselves. These keywords tend to be a better fit for broad pages like About Us or index pages. Long-tail keywords, on the other hand, can indicate a greater level of familiarity and are often a stronger match for more narrowly focused pages like product or thought leadership pages. How frequently should I use my keyword? Don't just use a keyword just to use it. Neither search engines nor people like that. Instead, prioritize using it consistently throughout in a few priority spots. Okay, so where are those places? You want to incorporate your keyword in your page title, meta description, section headers, file names, image alt text, and sprinkled throughout your body copy wherever it fits in naturally. Apart from that, forget about it entirely and concentrate on crafting a compelling narrative that fits the needs of your visitors. If you want to learn more about enhancing your brand's visibility and maybe even steal a page 1 spot from your competitors, check out our full guide on Koroberi.com.